of the amount of hardener to regular epoxy I've got in there. So the best method I like to use is to give it a little taste. It's about right. Alright, so let's go ahead and put some resin on these bad boys. What I'm using today is this amazing clear cast. It's a 2-part clear casting resin, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning put one of these to one of these, exact amounts, and then you're good to go. I'm going to mix in a little bit of this. This is some brown pigment. I got it at Hobby Lobby as well. It was right next to the clear casting resin, and it'll make our poop emojis look similar to this. I did a little testing in the spare time there, but we're going to go back over that and make it look really cool. So let's go ahead, and I've got some solo cups. We'll mix it 1-to-1 and then mix it together, put a little bit of the brown in there, and we'll get started with that. Now we're just going to take a guess because I need to do 3 of these, so we're going to fill it up quite a bit. Alright, I've got equal amounts here of A and B, and you can see that the A is somewhat kind of blue, where the B is kind of clear. Not really sure why that is, but we'll go ahead and mix these together, add a little bit of brown. So this one is much runnier, the B, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in here. Try to get out the rest of anything that's in here left. Pretty good. Next, let's go ahead and add in some brown. I'll start off with just a few drops, and then we'll kind of go from there to see what color we like. Take a look at that. Probably going to need more, but oh, look at that color. In epoxy, it's good to do it nice and slow so it doesn't create air bubbles. With this 1-to-1 ratio, I'm not exactly sure of the amount of hardener to regular epoxy I've got in there. So the best method I like to use is to give it a little taste. It's about right. Don't go start tasting epoxies off of your projects. That stuff will kill you. Nope, the joke was, it was Mrs. Buttersworth. Yep, this is my girl here. She's thick and rich. Says so on the bottle. After long consideration, I won't be doing these videos in the bathroom anymore. That's just too awkward. Instead, I'll be doing them in my driveway. Hey, Mrs. Stellar, you're looking good. What was I saying? A little too embarrassing. Hey, Mrs. Barker, how are you doing today? You're looking delicious. A little too awkward. That's a FedEx truck. Hello, Mrs. Stellar. FedEx is treating you good. Instead, I'm gonna wait for this FedEx truck to go by as she waves at me.
Yeah, nice. was a funny look. I like it. You bids at me. That was a funny look.
And that's why I no longer film in my bathroom, because that's just awkward.
Yeah. Nice!